guys, dito na naman tayo sa ating kusina ganap. Ang ating kusinang ganap ngayon ay magluluto tayo ng cashew base mayonnaise. Here we go! Mayroon akong binabad na cashew. But before that, kape-kape muna, pampagising. Juice of 1 lemon. Ito na guys, ang ating cashew. Onions and garlic. Onion powder. One teaspoon lang guys. Water, 1/2 cup of water, and then lemon juice. Squeeze ko lemon juice. And honey. Teaspoon muna. Honey na guys, honey. And then blend it into blend. Ito na guys ang ating cashew base mayonnaise. Look at that. Thanks for watching. Ito na guys ang ating homemade cashew base mayonnaise. Isang ganito nagawa ko. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Watch for more.